Hello, what's up? Not too much. Sorry about the finger on the camera. Not too much. Just a quick review of these nice items actually available at the Home Depot, Wally World, and whatever. It was like around $7. It's a Duracell self-powered LED. Now, why I think it's cool is because for the price, you have a brand name, sorry, not made in China, crank light. Yes, you know, everyone knows what's a crank light, right? Got a crank label over here, LED light, and actually it's pretty bright if I have to be honest with you. Not too shabby actually. Like I said, $7, nothing special. We do sell also with actually they sell a bigger one, like twice this cardboard box, and it's like a little bit more, probably more interesting. I'd pick up this one just for the fact that I can keep it in my backpack and everything. So like I said, for Christmas maybe something for yours. Christmas stocks, so you know, stocks, you know what I mean. And you never know, instead of the same stupid tie, might be a good idea, useful, keep in the car or whatever. Well, thank you for watching. Bye.